Hi, my name is Ric Pipino. I'm a hairstylist and worked in the beauty industry for over 40 years. And I have been working on a project for the last few years, but have I put it away for a little bit, and I've just got it back out again, and I needed to update it. And someone told me about Synth that I should check it out and help maybe update my deck. Anyhow, for $100, I got back a 20-page document that was so in detail and gave me comparative from other companies, what's out there, what's not out there, what direction I should go in, gave me analysis of what's happening in the business now, that I was completely blown away in less than an hour. So I highly recommend checking out Synth. It is brilliant, and it gives you in-depth pages of information about marketing, research, numbers, what's on the market, what direction you should go with it, and just by asking maybe a short sentence of a question that really blew me away. So highly recommend it. Check it out, and literally for $100 I got 20 pages. It's totally worth it. Check out Synth because it's really good.